The Indian pharmaceutical industry, often referred to as the pharmacy of the world, contributes to global public health and promoting universal healthcare access across the globe. India is the world's largest provider of generic medicines by volume, with a 20% share of total global generic supplies. It is the third largest global player in drugs and pharmaceuticals by volume, estimated at a size of $50 billion in 2022-2023, and exports account for 50% of this production. It is anticipated to double to reach a size of around $130 billion by 2030. The Department of Pharmaceuticals is implementing the Production-Linked Incentive or PLI scheme for promotion of domestic manufacturing of critical key starting materials, KSMs, drug intermediates and active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, in the country, with a financial outlay of Rs 6,940 crore. The initiative aligns with the government's vision for a resilient healthcare ecosystem, emphasizing sustainability and security in the pharmaceutical sector. Today's event underscores the government's commitment to fostering indigenous production, supporting technical competence and innovation in the industry. Highlights of PLI scheme. The PLI scheme for bulk drugs is an important initiative for realizing the vision of healthy and developed India of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. The Greenfield projects under the Production-Linked Incentive Scheme for Bulk Drugs are Amoli Organics Private Limited has its Greenfield project situated in Vapi, Gujarat, dedicated to the production of diclofenac sodium. Andhra Organics Limited has its Greenfield project situated in Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh, dedicated to the production of sulfadiazine and telmisartan respectively. Anasia Lab Private Limited has its Greenfield project situated in Nalgonda, Telangana, dedicated to the production of losartan and olmesartan. Aviran Pharma Chem Private Limited has its Greenfield project situated in Mehsana, Gujarat, dedicated to the production of artesunate. Centrient Pharmaceuticals India Private Limited has its Greenfield project situated in Navanshahar, Punjab, dedicated to the production of atorvastatin. Dasami Lab Private Limited has its Greenfield project situated in Nalgonda, Telangana, dedicated to the production of carbamazepine and oxcarbazepine. MNR Pharma Private Limited has its Greenfield project situated in Sangareddy, Telangana, dedicated to the production of 1,1-cyclohexane diacetic acid or CDA. Hazelo Lab Private Limited has its Greenfield project situated in Yadadri District, Telangana, dedicated to the production of vitamin B6. Honor Lab Limited has its Greenfield project situated in Sangareddy, Telangana, specializing in the production of levetiracetam and valsartan. Additionally, the company has plants in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, for the production of lopinavir and vitamin B6. Hyundai's Lab Private Limited has its Greenfield project in Nalgonda, Telangana, specializing in the production of 1,1-cyclohexane diacetic acid, CDA, and acyclovir. Hetero Drugs Limited has its Greenfield project in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, specializing in the production of carbidopa and levodopa. Additionally, company has its plant in Sangareddy, Telangana, for production of levofloxacin and oxcarbazepine. Globela Industries Private Limited has its Greenfield project in Bharoch, Gujarat, specializing in the production of norfloxacin and ofloxacin. Creative Actives Private Limited has its Greenfield project in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, specializing in the production of diclofenac sodium. Sadhana Nitro Chem Limited has its Greenfield project in Raigarh, Maharashtra, specializing in the production of para-aminophenol. Meghmani LLP has its Greenfield project at Dahej, Gujarat, towards the manufacturing of para-aminophenol. Symbiotic Pharma Lab Private Limited has its Greenfield project located at Dhar, MP, towards the manufacturing of prednisolone. We now seek the virtual inauguration of Greenfield projects under the Production Linked Incentive Scheme for Bulk Drugs by Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya, Honourable Minister for Chemicals and Fertilizers and Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, and Shri Bhagwant Khuba, Honourable Minister of State for Chemicals and Fertilizers and New and Renewable Energy, Government of India.